Hello, hello, check. Hello. Hi. Okay, give me more energy. Hello. Hi. Wow, it's good. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the most awaited moment of our gathering, the cultural evening and farewell night. I am Daisy Zomon Kimi, and joining me is the ever energetic Mr. John Bora.
Thank you, Daisy. Yes, energetic until someone asked me to dance. But tonight isn't about us. It's about the color, rhythm, unity, and all the late night practices nobody saw. So, to begin with, let's welcome the vibrant and graceful performers from Itanagar Diocese. Let their energy lead us into this colorful night.
Are you guys ready? Okay, let's give them a big round of applause for the Itanagar Diocese.
Keep pressing. Once again.
Just an announcement. Kindly on up. Someone has taken away the laptop from there in which all the songs are to be played from. Has anyone taken the laptop? Please do not pick up anything from the place. Okay, that's identified. Yeah. Jonah has taken. So it isn't that song is.
Can I just... Yeah, okay. Hello? Malang malangam alebu ari, which means good evening everyone. We, the Itanagar Diocese of Arunachal, proudly presents 5 vibrant tribes. Monpa from the snow-clad mountains of Tawang. Tagin from the hills of Upper Subansiri. Galo from the green lands of West Yang. Apatani from the beautiful Zero Valley. And Nishi, the major tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. 5 tribes, 1 spirit, 1 Arunachal.
laju ni gam kom jia Dego dogo tapa do baniga jia Tenalumur kumen laju dada kom jia Dego dogo tapa do bekampu jia Kaju mopin molaju ni gam kom jia Dego dogo tapa do baniga jia Nali nano gada mupuk pamorasato ara pamorasato odar sip laju magorelo golaju nalu merkulaju
We have, can you see here who, just give me a minute. Who is here? You know anyone father here? Yes, the one. The Dyson Youth Director, Father Roshan. Lovely steps. Congratulations to all. Huh? Wonderful. Thank you so much for the lovely exhibition of the cultural. One photo, yes. Just one. Quickly, please, the photographers, because we can't miss this chance. Yeah, hurry up. Yeah, Bishop can be there, yeah. Come, sister, come. Okay. Okay, Photographers ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 cheers to Itanagar! Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Payalincho on Paya Aropacho, Itanagar Diocese. That was a wonderful and beautiful opening. Now I invite Agartala Diocese to showcase their cultural item. Make some noise for Agartala Diocese.
Good evening, everyone. Tripura is a state with beautiful color of diverse culture. The state is the home of 19 indigenous tribes. Tonight, the Diocese of Agartala is going to present 3 different cultural dances, namely Lebang, Uchoy, and Darlong dance. These dances symbolize